Yes, good morning, friends. Back after a long time. So today we're going to talk about the browser Microsoft Edge. I have never used it for a long time. I've always used Google Chrome or Firefox. But this new update of Microsoft Edge is actually it's based on Chromium browser, which is actually the Google Chrome. So what they have done is basically modified, because it's an open source program. What they've done is modified the source code and made Microsoft Edge again, which essentially is Google Chrome now, but just with the name of Microsoft Edge, which is good for us. We do not have to download Google Chrome or Firefox or any other browsers unless it's our own preference to use those softwares. We can just use Microsoft Edge now, and it's gonna be fast. It's gonna be exactly the same thing as Google Chrome. But what happens here is, what Microsoft did was, they have, when we search from the address bar, they have actually changed the search engine to Bing, which for some people, because we all use Google most of the time, it's going to be an issue. So but there is an easy way to change it to Google again. I'm going to show you how we do that. All we got to do is open up Microsoft Edge. I was going to say Google Chrome. Open up Microsoft Edge, and you just click these three dots over there, go to settings, and in the settings you're going to see this menu coming up. Go to privacy and services, scroll down to the end, and you're going to see the option of address bar. Click on that, and that's where you're going to see the search engine, default search engines. All you got to do is change it back to Google. If you want Google, you can change it back to other search engines if you use those, but most of the people use Google. So just select Google, and in the second option, don't just leave search box, go address bar. What happens is, if you don't change it to address bar and you make a search on the address bar, it's actually going to go to Bing. So make sure you change this, and that completely makes your search preference as Google. If you want to delete the other ones, let's say you want to delete Bing, you can delete those. Just click on those dots, go remove. I want to keep that. You can remove these and just leave Google as it is, and that's it. You have just changed your search engine to Google. Let's just test it. There you are. So it's opening up Google now. That's how you change your search engine in Microsoft Edge, which is, in other words, Microsoft Google Chrome. Thank you very much, friends. I'll be coming up with more videos, so please subscribe and please like this video. Share this if you want to share this with someone. Thank you very much.